Hi fams, yeah, welcome back to the tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can activate ChatGPT as your default search engine on any Chromium-based browser. Now there are a couple of Chromium-based browsers like the Brave browser, like Microsoft Edge. I'm going to be showing you how you can set ChatGPT as your default search engine on these browsers. Now the first thing is to come to your browser and you'd want to search for ChatGPT Search extension, and we are going to be using the extension from the Chrome Web Store, which is this one, ChatGPT Search. So once you are on the extension page, you can just go ahead and click on Get, and you'll see this prompt to add extension to your browser. Alright, so the extension has been installed on a browser. So you can see another prompt here that says, to help protect your browser settings, Microsoft Edge, turn off the following extension, ChatGPT Search. So what you want to do is just go ahead and click on turn on, and then it takes you to this extension page. Just go ahead and toggle this on, and once you do that, you have successfully changed your default search engine to ChatGPT Search. So if you come to another tab on your browser and you search for something, for example, let's say how to sing like a pro, you see that it opens a ChatGPT interface and actually run the search for you on ChatGPT. Alright, so you can see the results being generated right here. So guys, there you have it. That's how to activate ChatGPT as your default search engine on any Chromium-based browsers. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.